In this lesson, I want to show you how to use the SP portfolio from joomshaper.com. And this is a module that you can be able to use on your website. It allows you to style content so much more professional. So let me show you how to do that. The first thing that you want to do is you definitely want to download it. And once you download it, then you want to go to your Joomla, and then you just go to Extension Manager. And then from there, you can just click on the upload package file to install it. So I've already done that. Once you've installed it, you want to go to extensions. You want to go to the module manager. And at the very corner here where it says select type, you want to find the SP portfolio. So this is what it looks like when you have it here. You have several options here. You have you can choose the category that you want to pull from. You can choose the number of items that you want to show, number of columns. You can also choose the ordering, the filter, and all stuff like that. And then you have the layout options here that you can be able to configure and tweak and see what it looks like. So once you've opened this module, you need to go to your article page where you have the articles that you want to showcase or the content that you want to be able to use. So I have some stuff already set up here, and a couple things to note. All right, whatever it is that you want to show, like with the images, you click on images and links, and you can click on the intro image. That's what's going to be shown on the front page when people take a look at it. You can also choose a full article image. Let me just grab one here, and then just click save and close. So when you come back to the module now, let me just enable all of these so you get to see what it looks like. So let's go to the default. And you got to choose two of the pages that you want this to show up on, and just click save. So with the default setting, this is what it looks like. You know, with the pictures added to it, when you put your mouse on it, it gives you, a nice, you can choose preview or more detail. So let's scroll down here, and this showing the article, and it's showing, the load more as well. So that's a really awesome feature there too. So now let's go back here and just kind of configure this a little bit. So let's say you don't want to show some things here. I'm just going to let's look at this other formula. Let's take a look at the maxima, and then we're going to come back and change some of those options there. So this is the maxima format, and let's take a look at the Pico. This is what the Pico looks like, just because you have so much content here. But you can always configure that. So now let's come back here to the maxima. So I'm just going to customize this here, and it's very simple. So you can see here, you just click in, you choose yes or no, and based on the options that you choose, that is what is going to show on the front end. So let's take a look at it now with those options here. So I've set no on everything else except the show title and the title link. So let's see what this looks like. So this is what it looks like here. And people can either click either options here. Let's put this to a Pico. So this is the Pico type here. And this is actually the one that I really love how the layout for this is. So you can click on this. When you click on this link here, it's going to take you to the actual article. And then you can just, go through there. You have the option here, of using the different layouts here. And I think that all of this are really awesome, and they look very clean. Once again, you want to have a website that's very clean, so when people come to it, it's professionally done. So this portfolio here, it's a great way for you to showcase maybe some projects that you've worked on, or you can go beyond that and just showcase your articles, as I'm doing here. These are not necessarily web projects, but they are just linking to article pages. So feel free to go ahead, just go to joomshaper.com here and just download it. It's absolutely free. I think that is going to look really great on your website.